we were doing the business maybe yesterday, I think we might not do the business in the similar fashion tomorrow. If the world is changing so rapidly, Coursera is that world which is helping us to discover what is happening in that world. ChatGPT is something which people are just exploring and getting to know about it. By opening that horizon, I think you are helping organization to bring the external world and internal world together. When a person is doing learning, I feel for two reasons. One is to actually learn and develop skills, and two, to do certifications. And I think the beauty of Coursera is that you have both. And if we don't continue to be a learning organization, then I don't think so a learner will stay no matter what you do. So giving the learning and giving the right learning is helping us to retain talent, and no one better than Coursera can be partner for that.